How to use Revolut Business API is a comprehensive guide that explains the process step by step. First, you need to create a Revolut business account and apply for API access. This involves filling out a form with your business details and waiting for approval. Once you have API access, you can start by reading the official Revolut Business API documentation. This will provide you with an overview of the available endpoints, parameters, and response formats. The API uses standard HTTP methods such as GET, POST, and PUT to interact with your account. To get started, you will need to generate an API token. This token is used to authenticate your API requests and ensure that only authorized applications can access your account. You can generate a token in the Revolut Business dashboard by going to the API settings page. Next, you can start making API requests using your preferred programming language. For example, you can use the API to retrieve a list of your business accounts, create a new payment, or retrieve a transaction history. The API returns data in JSON format, which can be easily parsed and integrated into your application. When using the Revolut Business API, it is essential to follow best practices such as handling errors and exceptions, implementing retry logic, and keeping your API token secure. You should also ensure that your application complies with Revolut's terms and conditions, as well as any relevant financial regulations. Practical examples of using the Revolut Business API include building a custom accounting integration, automating payment processing, or creating a mobile application for expense tracking. By following this guide and the official documentation, you can unlock the full potential of the Revolut Business API and streamline your business operations. In conclusion, the Revolut Business API is a powerful tool that allows you to automate and integrate your business operations. By following the steps outlined in this guide and adhering to best practices, you can successfully use the API to improve your business efficiency and productivity.